Hi there, my name is Jairo from Contabo. Today I'll explain what Git is and how to install it, so you can start using it for version control in just a few minutes. Git is a version control system that helps developers track changes, collaborate on projects, and manage code efficiently. It allows multiple people to work on the same project without conflicts. So why is Git important? It keeps track of code changes as it allows you to revert to previous versions anytime. It is collaboration-friendly, enabling multiple developers to work on the same project at the same time. It allows for branching and merging, meaning that developers can work on new features without affecting the main code. And it plays a critical role in modern DevOps workflows, including CI/CD pipelines. Git integrates seamlessly with automation tools that build, test, and deploy your code whenever you push changes, helping you release updates faster and more reliably. Git is used in web development, software engineering, and DevOps, making it an essential tool for anyone working with code. Before using Git, you need to install it. Here's how to do it on different operating systems. With Windows and macOS, go to git-scm.com, download the latest version, and follow the installation wizard. Verify the Git installation with this command. This checks if Git is installed correctly. Now let's look at how to install Git on Linux. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, you can install Git with just a few commands. Update your package list with sudo apt update to ensure you have the latest package versions. Then install Git with this command. Then verify the installation with git-version, and that's it. Git is now installed and ready to use. Before using Git, set up your name and email. This helps track who makes changes to the code. Configure your Git identity with this command. This sets up your user details for Git. Then initialize a Git repository in your project folder with Git init. Finally, check your Git setup. Now you're ready to start using Git for version control. And that is it. You know what Git is, how to install it, and how to set it up. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding with Git!